Manu Lima, Bambino, examen de conscience.
So, if you have to make a contribution, you do, otherwise you sign that.
We might need more people to the registration. Or if you got a document, ideally you can bring it first. But if you haven't got it, you still build model community. Okay, so let me see if I get somebody to organize it. Ballot paper number, which is E1. Yeah, so when you vote, you cross this way, you cross here, so you know that you vote, so we can count association. Okay, so why that's your
Telephone number?
How many you need the money? Okay,
87. Okay, so if you want to make any donation, you do, otherwise you sign that. Telephone number?
Yeah.
Alright. Gav, V.
Please don't know.
Telephone.
No, please don't know E. No. So you need to put it
No, that's fine. You see. Benny Melando. No, Navi.
I think what ordinary anos na fee association you know.
Assalamualaikum. Your attention please. For the last
Sorry, I've never seen another.
Are we going? Are we forward, yeah?
We're almost done.
We're almost done, yeah.
John Kougandé, on va oui, oui, il y a certaines associations qui avaient payé par banque. No problem. No problem.
Register before for the post. Is still open for them to register if they want to register for any other post here. Before and there is a secretary and organizing secretary and deputy. So this is the post we will be voting today for the ordination. For those who put their name already forward,
we will start probably having the candidate coming forward in a few minutes, and everyone will explain about the reason why he wants to be on that position and what is going to add to the community, what is going to add to the coordination as an input. So, well, we're going to start at the reason. Saidu is going around to take the names of the people who want to join the executive board. We have made a different announcement on the platform on Viber and by email. For the people who want to register again, we can give another 5 more minutes to register. To register, you need to be a Guinean, actually, have any document from Guinea. Some people have produced passport, ID, or different kind of ID. This is quite good. We have seen the demonstration quickly down here. But if you haven't got it, or you're still member of one of these associations as well, the Guinean community, you are welcome to vote. Is the second to be candidate in the meantime is also to be member of one of the organizations, member of the coordination, or be a Guinean and provide the proof that you have received the demonstration committee.
so a lot of people still don't understand how the vote will be proceed. So you will be explaining just less than 5 minutes. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. And as I was saying, there's still 3 people on the behind we haven't got, we're not sitting because probably there's a lack of seats. So if you can come a bit forward. And as I was saying, all the candidates, if they can move to the front row, please. Mr. Bangura, Mr. Jallo, Mr. Ba, please to the front row. So, okay, we're going to start in a few minutes. I'm just explaining. So it's from this coordination has come from a long way. Has different associations or representative associations. We will also have the Council of Elders and Religious Affairs as well, that the executive board is going to put in place later on. So if you see me now, we're going to show how the vote process works itself. Cette coordination a existé depuis 2014. Jusqu'à aujourd'hui, on avait un bureau provisoire qui était représenté par M. Jean-Parc, qui est en face de nous ici, ainsi que M. Lancine Sako, qui était le coordinateur, ainsi que aussi M. Badou. En termes de trésorier, on a eu d'autres personnes aussi qui ne sont pas présentes ici dans la salle. Et nous arrivons aujourd'hui à l'élection du bureau exécutif. Il est aussi important de rappeler que les conditions qui ont été annoncées pour être candidat, il faut être guinéen, produire un document, ce qui a été fait. Pour voter aussi, c'est la même chose. Ou alors appartenir à l'une des associations membres de cette coordination. Et on a environ près de 14 associations dans cette coordination. Et voilà, le recensement a été fait, comme vous l'avez vu tout à l'heure. Et je rappelle aussi qu'après le bureau exécutif, il y aura 2 organes qui sont très importants, qui feront partie de cette structure. C'est le conseil représentatif, le conseil consultatif qui sera composé des représentants des différentes associations. C'est pour être le président d'association, le délégué d'association, mandaté, le conseil consultatif, devant qui, justement, le bureau exécutif sera en partie responsable, mais pourra aussi exposer les différents projets de cette sorte. Et le troisième organe, ce serait le bureau, le conseil des sages et des religieux, qui sera constitué de nos aînés qui sont ici ce soir, aussi bien que les imams, aussi pour nous appuyer dans ce que nous faisons. Il y aura aussi des commissions techniques qui pourront travailler sur des projets spécifiques. Donc, cela relève de la compétence du bureau qui sera élu pour le faire. Il y a des personnes qui ont postulé en dernière minute pour des positions au niveau de cette coordination et je pense que le bureau exécutif qui sera mis en place aura l'opportunité de se prononcer sur ces différents points. Sur ce point, je vous remercie. On va passer le microphone à M. Bangora et à M. Diallo qui ont tous les deux postulé pour le poste de coordinateur qui est la première personne, le premier responsable de cette organisation pour une annonce qu'ils ont à faire tous les deux ensemble et par suite on donnera 5 minutes à chacun d'eux, 2 à 5 minutes pour nous expliquer, pour nous parler du projet qu'ils ont pour cette organisation, pour cette communauté. Je le passe au microphone. M. Bangora.
Ok. Premièrement, pourquoi je me présente d'abord comme coordinateur? C'est tout simplement parce que depuis le début, la mise en place de cette coordination en 2014, j'ai participé à toutes les étapes. Donc je connais le contenu, le contenant et les problèmes qui y sont. Donc, compte tenu de cela, j'ai dit je dois me présenter. Ça. Maintenant, de l'autre côté, puisqu'on me dit que je n'ai que 2 minutes, qu'est-ce que je propose, qu'est-ce que je voudrais faire si jamais je suis élu à cette position? La première des choses, c'est que tous les Guinéens soient réunis. Que l'entente soit quelque chose de très fort dans notre communauté. Que nous soyons unis, que nous ayons le même objectif, celui de faire de la communauté guinéenne une forte communauté. Ça, c'est ça. Deuxièmement, comme vous savez, au Royaume-Uni, nous avons des problèmes. Le problème, c'est quoi? C'est que tous les Guinéens arrivent à s'exprimer, comme en Guinée, comme en France, ainsi de suite. Donc, nous savons qu'au Royaume-Uni, nous ne sommes pas recensés, nous ne pouvons pas voter en cas d'élection dans notre pays. L'élection présidentielle et l'élection législative. En principe, nous devons pouvoir voter. Mais à l'heure actuelle, on ne peut pas. Donc, je m'engage devant vous. Si jamais je suis élu, je me battrai pour que les Guinéens au Royaume-Uni soient recensés, qu'ils soient reconnus, pour que nous aussi nous arrivions à, disons, à faire valoir nos droits et nos devoirs vis-à-vis de la Guinée. Merci. Donc, je ne sais pas si je vais le faire en anglais plus rapidement. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. Jama, I just would like to repeat exactly what I'm going to say. Please. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. This is exactly what I'm going to do. Everyone has responded to my call. I'm going to bring all Guineans together to show you that yes, we can do this. We can change our destiny. We can have our destiny together. And tomorrow I'm going to stand over there to speak again to you. Yes, Allah has spoken. Yes, the destiny, no one can change it. Where I come from is the heart of Guinea. Where I belong is the heart of the Guinean people. Let's stand together. And let's show the world that yes, we Guinean people should be together. Allah put us together. Allah knows best. The reason why I'm standing here today is I will bring you together. Voting is our right. They're stopping us to vote. I will go to the government and I will tell them that yes, my people in Libya should vote. I've got the right. They should got the right. We have the power. We can change things. But if we don't say the truth to each other, we don't face each other, we don't explain to each other, we don't respect each other, nothing will be able to do. Nothing can be done. Thank you.
We like to thank Mr. Bangura and Mr. Diallo. The person who will be coming next for the Secretary of Admin, Mr. Selou Diop, please. Mr. Selou Diop, like to apply for the Admin Secretary.
Nous devons être l'exemple, nous devons donner le bon exemple, mais étant à l'extérieur, si on continue cette division ethnique entre nous, ça ne serait pas bon. Donc l'idée est de faire venir tout le monde sous un seul parapluie et que l'on travaille ensemble. Le bureau qui était provisoirement élu, on va le faire et on les supplie de venir travailler avec nous. Donc, si on réussit ce pari-là, je vous assure que nous allons avancer d'une façon ou d'une autre. Mais la meilleure façon de gagner, c'est de réunir tout un chacun et de faire partie tout le monde. Je ne vais pas être plus long que ça. Donc, je vous remercie tous pour avoir pris votre temps pour venir assister à cette assemblée. Et que je sois élu ou pas, je suis très content de faire partie de cette Guinean community qui vit en Angleterre.
Please, guys, vote for me. I will make sure everybody united. Everybody get the right information from A to Z. From London to Manchester, from London to Southampton, from London to Plymouth. So I will make sure that everybody got the right information. I will be here to give the information and make sure and supporting also the coordinator or the vice coordinator.
And the next one is Mr. Jamba from Leeds in the position of...
And as a former vice coordinator and a member of the creation, an active member of this coordination from day one. And I've been leading this community with my colleague Sako for the last 3.5 years. And we were elected by 8 people on the phone. Based on that, we were supposed to rule for 2 months and organize a general election, which should be held 2 months later. But ever since, there is no election. We've been fighting all over. And recently we decided to actually hold the election today, whether we're going to have the majority of people or not. Because for the matter of fact, we know that if I refer a little bit to international politics, the United States is more than 324 million people. But the recent election, there were only 133 million people voted. So the majority didn't vote. There is no country on earth where they could have 100% of voters. So as a former leader, vice coordinator of the Guineans, I first of all thank all of you for coming, for responding to this call. And I encourage our brotherhood, and that will help us move forward. And for my candidacy to this post, as you know, I've done, as many people know, I've done international relations at university here. By the grace of God, I've got a degree in that, and I've been working with different communities. I work with Red Cross, as you mentioned. I work with the immigration, many people know, the city council. So, and as fluently speak Fula, Mandinga, Susu, and I speak Kisi as well, because I did my childhood in but we have to speak out to know our intention and empower that, pass that message. Because if we don't get together and try to make that clear for ourselves and for our children, the message that my daughter had for the Guinean people in Guinea will pass to the next generation in the UK. Thank you for listening to me.
3 more candidates, the one more after will give a speech. But in the meantime, for people who are aware how to vote, or people who want to vote right now before they leave, they can still come forward to that table over there. Mr. Jallo is going to show them how to do it. You know, so it's made a lot easier because a lot of people are traveling from long way.
Thank you very much. Just a quick reminder. I know we've already spent a lot of time here. People want to go back home. But we really plead for you to stay until we finish the election. The vote here, the next vote will be
voting for the post of admin secretary, Mr. Seluk Job. Who will be voting for him? Please raise your hand. Mr. Job.
Follow the procedure and count.
Yes. Start. Yeah, start.
No, actually. I would say that the majority is
Okay, so right. So I would like just to stress that there will be like a council of religious and social affairs. Actually, everything matters with religion or social. There will be like a council helping Mr. Like Salman Jallow to work. That council will be with all the elders in the UK. Some
might be following your child to go back to Guinea. Nothing out. God has created us not to do the tribalism. It's to like each other, worship Him. So our aim should be to put everyone together. That's what FPU Manchester stands for. And we want everyone, all the association who's here, who's not here, to come to this call. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I'm speaking on behalf of the whole Guinean community in this country. I appeal to you today, you guys that have been elected, to please be united. If you unite and forget about tribalism, believe me, we will go much further than this. So maybe I would have been the best candidate because I know I would have done the same. We thank everyone for coming here to show our solidarity, because this is a real solidarity. We were not expecting all these people today. But the fact that everyone found their time to come here today, it has already shown you, the candidate, that we are united. So I beg you all, I appeal to you to please, let us all be Guineans. Je voudrais dire que peut-être j'aurais été le candidat le plus haut parce que je ferai ce que vous ne pouvez pas faire. Mais je vous en prie, il faut s'unir. Hein? Merci beaucoup.
We want all Guineans to unite. We all should focus in one thing. We have to remember what they call broom, maybe in English or in Creole. If you try to break it, you cannot, unless if you move one after the other, you can break it down. But if you gather them a lot, you cannot break them. So the unite make power. So I'm not going to take all your time. I am very pleased to stand in front of you, not as myself, as Guinea. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yes, we can. If we are united, we can. Nobody can divide us. Those people who didn't come, go back and tell them they should come here. They should be here today because we are together. We can do anything that we can if we are together. Let's be united, please. There's no Mandingo, Fula, Susu. Nobody. Let's forget about these differences. Let's begin. Let's take the example of UK. As we are here in UK.
And first of all, I have to congratulate the newly elected team. My advice to them is to try to work together, hand by hand, in order to lead our community, as we need really a strong team which can help all of us. And thanks again. We thank Birmingham to hosting us tonight. Merci beaucoup et à la prochaine. God bless Guinea.
No invita e kala mamunejo ka woni e nder lendi haray association o no existi no gas hara wobbe nani inde makko no gas hara wobbe kan nana inde makko kono wona wonde haray baafe en no fermani tumbe mamumbe donc meden andi wobbe go kadi wonduɓe amen mamu non de donc ɓe faala wattade amen kono ɓe aami donc haray men toriki fo wota e goto aamu donc mamum ko Carrefour kala arɗo joyni amen o heɓay ko mamum heɓata ko donc haray miɗen faala kadi association ji ɗi fof yo wonu mamu haray menen tori jamawa men jeeyi assalamu aleykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh
ane on jonnama ko mamum andira kon kadi
We had now about 20 associations today, 20 associations. Almost all of them express themselves. You hear them where they're coming from, what they do for the community, what they receive for the coordination. And out of those 20 associations, we have 200 people attendees here. It's a welcome for everyone. We did not expect that. Welcome for everyone, 200 people. It's one of the records. And secondly, we ask people to help, to organize, to pay the whole and everything. And again, people make a big effort, and we did ask them. Some people made payment through Alphabet, the coordinator, through the bank, and some of them come in here. And for those who voluntarily paid either £5, £20, today here, we made £145 thanks to those people who voluntarily, £145 voluntary paid. Okay, so for those who paid through the organizations we asked, we made £370. Thanks for the associations paid. Thanks for them, they made the payment £370. So for those who made the payment through Alphabet Bank, he did receive their £445 in his bank account, which enabled us to put the deposit for the hall and then the rest of them, because everyone had a drink and here. And all together, I can announce you that we made £1,020 for this event. Thank you everybody, and thanks for your effort. For now, my job is almost finished because I will be passing to the Electoral Commission. I like to thank everyone here, and it was a pleasure to serve you, and I wish the board members being elected very well, and help from you guys, because only the board cannot move forward. So people have to help them. Mostly these associations who made this payment, because it's a coordinator. It's not just individual association. Coordination is out of all these 20 associations came here, will make the coordination work. Thank you very much. I would like to felicitate and thank all the candidates who win, and then best of luck. I will pass the mic to Mr. Mamarba, the Electoral Commission, to announce the election. And it's just, we are almost on time. We got just 30 minutes to finish because we have to clean the hall and then leave by 7 o'clock. Thank you again. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Fakari, we sit down over there, and Mr. Badru, and Mr. Sal, Mr. Kamarawan here. A lot of people have been involved today. I cannot really thank them so much. for what they've done. There are a lot in this venue at the moment. I can't name all of them. I would like to thank you so much for everything they've done. Birmingham is the center of England, is the center of the United Kingdom. Thank you so much for everything you do for your community. Let's applaud them, please. Moving forward as well, that could have been done without the electoral commissions. We know there's a lot of issues have been going around, but alhamdulillah, we managed to get here today for the Eurogons and for everything. So I would like to thank you, all these guys you see here who has worked all day today, who have helped me as well with all the process as well. Give them a good applause. Thank you. And for Mr. Chairman as well there, who was the president of the commission electoral, but he sits down there quietly, but he's done so much as well. Thank you, thank you so much, Chairman as well. And just okay, and also the ladies, I know that they've been, a bit quiet, I know, but we really want them to thank you as well for the meal. And they came as well with all the kids around just to show them the way to follow maybe in a few years, because these kids might be following our step maybe a few years. So it's very good what they've done today. We thank you. We thank them as well for the meal, for everything they've done for us today. Thank you so much, and let's applaud them as well. Thank you so much, ladies. And I cannot say that without thinking as well, all the associations who have been involved in the process. This is not, you here today, maybe you witness what happened today, but to come down here, we came from a long way. 3 years of conference calls, 3 years of gatherings, to come to here. I can now move forward without thanking them, thanking Mr. Sako, who is not around here today, and Mr. John, who is here, Mr. John. Thank you so much, because these two guys are the one with Mr. Badru as well, who is around here, and Tony from Sheffield, and few guys as well who have been involved in this. They started this coordination 3 years ago, 4 years ago, only 4 associations involved. They worked so hard to get down here. So we see what happened today, but a lot of people has worked. Some of them are not here. We're really sad about that, but this is the way forward. We have to move forward. All the associations in the UK have been informed about this process. They all have been consulted about this process. So, and this team who's gonna come forward in the next few minutes have the big challenge, and we hope that they will be up to the task. So, from that, we can thank you also all the elders who are on here. It's not easy for them, but they're always here to support us. They're always here to give us advice, and we want them with us, with everything, everywhere we go. So if it is something which is not the way they want it, they can tell us, and they can show us the way. We thank you them, and we want their blessing as well, and their support all the way down. Thank you so much for the elders as well. Okay, so going to that, all the money has been raised today. The £120 will go through initially the expenses involved in this venue. Initially, we have about 6-7 hours we booked for this venue, and it costs a lot of money. So the £120,000, the £100, the 1,000. Excuse me, I'm the Minister of Education. Yeah, 1 million. No, the £1,020 will be raised today. We'll go through initially the rent for the house for the venue today, and some of them will go to. All of the things in the food, whatever Mr. Barry is going to do, that comes later on. The cameraman, I cannot say finish. I cannot finish as well without thanking Mr. Bar, who is sitting down there. He's got all the time as well, filming what we done today, getting pictures as well. Thank you so much, Mr. Bar, from Bar Media. So if you got your events as well, he's there. So you can talk to him. He's always been present in the community with something to do, whatever we pay him or not. And this is something to encourage as well. So encourage people about to follow business the same way he's doing as well. Help our fellow members with other business as well to grow. This is one of our duty. So I'm not going to announce the result. We have 198 people who has been registered, but I believe there's more than 198 people who turn up today. We can tell because some people haven't got time to register, some people went home a bit early. But we got 198 officially, but we got normally more than 298 coming today. So they have expressed the vote to choose the membership, to FU's executive board today, who is going also to, as Mr. Badru mentioned as well, we did, during this process, we got in touch with the embassy, and they were aware of that, what we're doing today. But unfortunately, they haven't been able to join us today because both the consul and the ambassador are away. They went in Guinea for like mission, so they'll be coming very soon as well. When they come back, we'll be very happy to go and speak to them as well, to show them what we've done, and we'll be willing for them as well to help us to build this community together and to do something very important for the community. So from that point, I'm just gonna go to the result and probably ask the members who have been elected to come forward as with their name are called, so we can have the full team here today. So we've got from the coordinator, this is the first person who is first responsible, the chairman if you want, the kind of the organizations. With the vote expressed, we had 152 who has cast a vote, and on that we got 122 for Mr. Alpha Suleiman Jallo, we applauding, please. And we got 30 for Mr. Bangura, so we applaud both of them. We're coming along. So that will be the coordinator and the deputy coordinator. The vice coordinator. Okay. Congratulations, yeah. Okay. And we got Mr. Mamad Selou Diop, who has raised hands vote, so we say 100% of the vote expressed. Anyway, so Mr. Mamad Selou Jallo, we applaud him as well as admin secretary. And we got information and communication secretary. We got Jajaliu Ba and Mr. Bailo. So Mr. Jajaliu Ba got 100% of the votes expressed. It's okay. So Mr. Bailo, we haven't been able to vote because he came, he wrote down his name because we already have this set up, so it was a bit difficult to do straight away. Is he in the room? He's upstairs. Okay. Okay, so we'll be there. Deputy Deputy Information and Communication Secretary. Thank you. And we come to the Foreign Secretary and External Affairs. We've got standing Mr. John Ba and Mr. Salifu Ba. So we got 130 votes stand for Mr. Jamba. We applaud him. This is 84%. And we've got 24 for Mr. Siri Fuba, who hasn't been able to make it today. He's in London for family issues. And we've got Social and Religious Affairs Secretary. That was Mr. So as my colleague just faces that, so Mr. Sarifuba will be his deputy assistant, of Sajali Ba. Thank you. Mr. Salman Jallo, we have also, because it was raised hand votes, 100% as well. Thank you so much, we can applaud him. And well, I think the team is done. So you've got all the members of the executive board here today. And we would like to, sorry, the treasury, sorry, I forgot. Oh, where the money goes. Yeah, treasury, Mr. Badruba, 118, so 100% as well. Thank you so much, you can applaud him. Yeah, we got them. Yeah. So this is the elected executive board from today. We will help us to build this community. We know there's a lot of challenges, but the challenges is not only registering the Guineans. The challenge is also to help to build a strong community. We can have projects, because there's a lot of things we can do with the UK here in our own benefit. This team will work together.
not only to have the council of association, which is quite important. I don't want to fuss it out because these are the council of associations are the president of all associations together, coming as a council to help this SFDB to work, and the religious council and the elders was going to help them as well in advice, in the challenges, wherever they go in their life as well. So they have the big challenge to you. Let's applaud them, and from now they'll be taking us forward. Thank you so much for everyone that's turned up today.
Vous allez l'atténuer un peu pour nous permettre de travailler, parce que là, le challenge est très grand. Et nous promettons que nous ferons de notre mieux pour ne pas vous, en tout cas, pour ne pas vous décevoir. Donc, merci. We would like to thank everyone, and we will do our best to give the best way for our community. Thank you. I give that to Bangura.
Merci beaucoup à vous tous. Vraiment, c'est formidable. Et je crois que le coordinateur a tout dit. Nous avons un travail à faire qui n'est pas facile et qui sera très dur. Mais ensemble, nous pourrons le faire. Ensemble, parce que ce n'est pas seulement nous qui sommes à la tête, mais vous aussi, votre contribution pour que nous puissions faire notre travail. C'est très important. On va élire les leaders. Mais pour diriger les leaders, c'est à vous de nous diriger. C'est à vous de nous dire, vous avez oublié ça, vous n'avez pas fait ça. Nous avons besoin de votre contribution. Vraiment, ensemble, comme je l'ai toujours dit, nous pourrons le faire. Merci.
Assalamu alaikum. Salut à tout le monde. Je suis très ravi pour la confiance que vous avez portée à cette équipe, et nous espérons que nous serons à mesure de remplir la mission que vous nous avez confiée. À cet effet, je demande à tout un chacun de nous supporter et de nous aider moralement, physiquement et financièrement, puisque sans cela, nous ne pouvons rien faire. Pour ce faire, je demande le concours de toutes les associations et de toutes les personnes physiques présentes dans cette salle et qui ne sont pas venues ici dans cette salle aussi. Donc, nous comptons sur vous pour mener notre mission. Si vous nous abandonnez ici aujourd'hui, on ne pourra rien faire. Donc, nous demandons le support de toutes les associations qui sont là et de toutes les personnes physiques et morales. À cet effet, nous sommes très ravis d'avoir porté votre confiance en nous. Vraiment, nous espérons que nous serons en mesure de nous conduire au bon port. Je vous remercie.
J'espère que tout a été dit par le coordinateur, le vice-coordinateur et M. Diop. Moi seulement, je vous remercie de venir ici aujourd'hui. Et tout ce que vous avez fait, que Dieu vous bénisse, que Dieu vous paye ce que vous avez fait. Et nous sommes là pour vous et nous comptons sur vous et nous comptons sur votre support. Et ce que M. Diop a dit, nous demandons votre support. Moralement, financièrement et physiquement. Parce que l'équipe là ne pourra rien faire sans vous. Et si vous êtes là aussi, vous donnez vos supports, on pourra faire quelque chose. Moi je vous remercie très beaucoup, je vous remercie infiniment. Merci beaucoup à tout le monde. Et bonne safe journey. Thanks very much. Thanks everybody. Thank you.
Chassons qu'en Guinée, en Afrique en général, particulièrement en Guinée, nous avons tendance à nous cacher derrière l'ignorance pour promouvoir l'ethnocentrisme. Et la plupart des ignorants mettent l'ethnocentrisme devant pour promouvoir leurs idéaux. Donc vous devez être aguerris. J'ai franchi, si vous nous voyez ici aujourd'hui, c'est parce qu'un grand travail a été fait derrière. Il faudrait que vous vous entendiez. Ce n'est pas tout ce que vous ne vous entendiez pas que nous devons savoir. Ce qui nous
intéresse, c'est le résultat. Et quel résultat? Le bon résultat. Je suis fier d'être un membre fondateur, d'être vice-coordinateur jusqu'aujourd'hui. Je vous donne le drapeau et je vous souhaite toute la chance, toutes les chances du monde. Merci.
I'm not taking it longer because the elders they are here. I'm going to give them the microphone to make the dua for all the community who come in here and the people who invite us here, who make all this cooking and things for us. Thank you for the team, thank you for the coordinator, thank you for everybody here at the elders. Thank you very much.
O suka adinoɗo yewtude ɗo o holli en wondema awa hiɗen duwa jokkude enɗam sen tamodiri en waway moƴƴinde ka meɗen kono so en lurri en wawata moƴƴinde ka meɗen ndaron hande o jamaɗo fof ko jama Guinéen tun hay goto jillaɗo ɗum ɗo fof ko honɗum dogini ɗum ko min ko honɗum mi ɗaɓɓata ɗo mi mawɗo ina fi ka anno saddi sen hawtidi e moƴƴini kam e mi aray ɗo mi jooɗo e ngol jangol mi wawata wadde ɗum kono noon si tawi kam en moƴƴa ko ma on tigi doga so haray koyen etto jokken en ɗan jogodiren jonnaɓe place ji ɗin ɓe jogito place ji ɗin ɓe walle ɓe darne moƴƴa ɓe jogito place ji ɗin wallito ɗon ɓe moƴƴa because goto tun o wawata gaynude joni haray ko ɗum ɗo woodi komi yamirta o assalamu aleykum wa rahmatullahi taala